Dogs against Rexas Finance RXS. Which token offers more long-term potential? Last updated September 22nd, 2024 at 17:03 GMT3. Author Mao Orillana. Author profile. Share copied. Last updated September 22nd, 2024 at 17:03 GMT3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer. The text below is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content. While it has undergone editorial review to ensure quality and relevance, it may not reflect the views of cryptonews.com and is clearly distinguished from our independent editorial content. As it is quite common for such a marketplace to be quite volatile, there is no shortage of newer projects that attract the attention of investors or traders. To illustrate this point, two recent tokens that have been in the news are DOGS, a meme coin on the Telegram open network, and Rexas Finance RXS, designed to change the perception of RWA assets on the blockchain. Both tokens have launched successfully. However, speculation on their sustainability is another issue that still divides investors. DOGS, a meme coin with a meteoric rise and subsequent dip. DOGS, being a new meme coin, experienced a tremendous launch on popular crypto exchange networks such as Binance. Its price was listed at $0.00054, and just hours after it got listed, this value appreciated by 150% to go beyond $0.0013. The token's value slumped to below a penny and a third, which was a clear indication that the initial investors were exiting to get their profits and the selling pressure was increasing. This dip most recently extended during a rise in uncertainties about Telegram's future and commitment to the TON ecosphere in the long term. DOGS is rather projected to return more than usual rates, but on a very small margin, such that some analysts are projecting only a X return for 2 years. But considering how rapidly the crypto market is transforming, such rates of growth could fail to stir the interests of serious long-term market players. Rexas Finance RXS, unlocking the future of RWA tokenization in the search for investors and buyers. Of the DOGS tokens, which are enjoying the crowded market of meme coins, Rexas Finance RXS has quite a different focus. Rexas Finance was launched a little over a week later on September 8th, 2024. And seeks to bring asset tokenization on the blockchain. Real-world assets, for example, real estate, nearly can be represented in the form of tokens on a blockchain for better reach to the international market. This global accessibility of the project will be one of the key factors in raising demand for RXS tokens, as the project presents opportunities that did not previously exist for investors. In just a matter of days, RXS had realized substantial interest, querying more than $800,000 during its presale. Our RXS token will launch presale at 4 cents, and according to investors, this is a good price, considering that by 2027, the token will be worth $50 and even more. Economically, this translates to potential returns of more than 1,000 times to the other investors who get into the project at an early stage. I would put RXS somewhere as one of the most promising long-term opportunities in the crypto market. Long-term potential comparison, DOGS versus Rexas Finance RXS. DOGS, in the context of meme coins, is entirely dependent on hype and the support of the community. Although it had a good performance initially, the long-term prospects are quite low. The 2 times increase expected for the next 2 years will be inadequate looking at other growth industries, and the constant dependency on the sentiments of the community concerning the token makes it beset with instability. Rexas Finance, on the other hand, presents an entirely different picture when it comes to long-term storytelling abilities, tackling real issues such as the access and the possibility of investing in RWAS RXS is therefore a disruptor. The fact that the project has successfully been able to raise over $800,000 during its presale speaks volumes of the confidence that investors have towards the project and how realistic the $50 target for its valuation is by the year 2027 suggests the massive room that is still left for growth. Conclusion: Rexas Finance emerges as the superior long-term bet. Although Dogs captures the short-term interest with its explosive genesis and the rabid appetite that meme coins create, it is Rexas Finance, RXS, that is better positioned as a long-term hold to serve the global market with the underlying assets. RXS addresses the important and emerging market. Its proposed target price of $50 by 2027 indicates that there is a rising graph of growth, very much higher than the minimal gains that are expected from Dogs. For more information about Rexas Finance RXS, visit the links below. Website, rexas.com, white paper, rexas.com/rexaswhitepaper.pdf, Twitter/X, x.com/Rexas Finance, Telegram, https://t.me, Rexas Finance, follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: the text above is an advertorial article that is not part of cryptonews.com editorial content.